Okay guys, so today we're going to be making a green curry baked chicken. All right, so we're going to be making this baked chicken Asian style. All right, so to season my chicken so it will have time to marinate and then we can bake it, I'm going to be using some lemongrass. This lemongrass I got from my garden. So I'm going to be using my mortar and pestle to crush this a little bit. So let me just cut this. I'm just going to cut my lemongrass in half so it can fit in my mortar and pestle. Good. Right? All right, so let me just shift this chicken here to the side so we can pound this here. All right, so that will bring out the flavor. All right, so now I'm going to put this in here and we're going to massage the chicken. Okay. Well, some of that juice, pour it in. All right. What I'm also going to put, obviously, because we're making green curry baked chicken, so I'm going to be using this green curry paste. Okay. All right, well then we'll have to just try to get it out this way. All right, so I'm just going to use off what is in my bottle here. All right, I'm going to have to get another spoon to get this out. So before I do that, let me just add to this. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt to my chicken. All right. And I'm also going to add, I have here ginger garlic paste, so I'm going to add some of that to it as well. All right, so you add how much you want. I mean, this is customizable. All right, let me just get a spoon so I could clean out this bottle. All right, time to give this a massage. You want to give your chicken a good massage. It will take a little time, but we want to do that so we can get everything to get into all the nooks and crannies of the chicken. All right, so we're going to cover this and we're going to put it in the fridge and we're going to leave it to marinate. Okay guys, so it's time to put our green curry chicken into the oven. So here I have it here, just marinating for the day. So we're going to put it on to our baking sheet and put it in the oven to bake. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it with foil and I'm going to bake it. My oven is preheating at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to cover it. I'm going to bake it for about half an hour covered. And then after, I will take off the foil cover and allow it to bake for another 15 to 20 minutes. All right, so let's head over to the oven. Okay, so I'm going to remove the foil. And I'm going to put it back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so my green curry baked chicken is completely